Welcome to Quick Coding Tips. Today we're solving a common programming challenge. Let's start by understanding the problem. I have this string stored in a variable, python_in_blasum.com, johnhome.com. Now I would like to split the strings by delimiter so that I have python addr1 blasum. You can set the internal field separator ifs variable, and then let it parse into an array. When this happens in a command, then the assignment to span style color red, ifs span only takes place to that single command's environment to span style color red, read span. It then parses the input according to the span style color red, ifs span variable value into an array, which we can then iterate over. This example will parse one line of items separated by span style color red, span, pushing it into an array, span style color red, white space, pre, ifs semicolon read ra addr lt in4I in addr. Do process I done span. This other example is for processing the whole content of span style color red, in span, each time. For the complete solution, check the video description. Thanks for watching Quick Coding Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more programming tips.